Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. I did have one of the courses up for free on my YouTube channel because I was trying to get more watch time, but it wasn't really working out as I had expected. So I decided to just put them back on sale and try and make some money from them that way. So the first course that I have is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It is a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $39.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. I teach you a whole bunch of good stuff on like how to find trendy niches, how to design styles, how to hire designers, how to cross niche, how to check for trademark. So again, it's over 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And I also have one for Redbubble as well, $39.99. This one is over 20 lessons, or it's 20 lessons and it's over an hour of content. Also good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. Here are my credentials. So for Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 11,000 sales and I've made over $37,000 in royalties. And for Redbubble, here are my yearly stats for 2022. I made $2,100. My best month was in June, 317. That was because of Father's Day. But if you take 2,100, divide it by 12, I'm averaging about $175 a month on Redbubble. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description. Now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is cervical cancer awareness. So if you go into Google and you type in cervical cancer awareness month, you will see January is cervical cancer awareness month. So there's going to be a lot of these type of designs selling. They're already selling. And if we go to Amazon right here and we type in that niche, we're going to see there's only 751 results. As I always say, it's under my benchmark of 1,000. That's what I like to shoot for. Here are what some of the designs look like. To be honest, if I were to go and attack this niche again, I wouldn't just do like a regular cervical cancer awareness shirt. I would cross niche it or niche down. And one of the ways that you can cross niche this is by using some type of demographic like mom, wife, grandma, daughter, sister, things like that. So you'll probably see that people are already doing that. So let's see if I can find one real quick. Another way that you can cross niche this, that's like right here, I wear teal for my mom. So that's a good example right there. You can also cross this niche with like God as well. You're going to see like God is stronger than cancer. Again, you always want to check all this stuff for trademark. But that's a good way to cross niche. And another way that you can niche down with this niche is to do what I like to call is by using the amount of years that people have been a survivor of this type of cancer. So there's people that have had cervical cancer, they don't have it anymore, and they're celebrating like 1 year of being a survivor, 2 years of being a survivor. And if you were to type that type of keyword into Amazon, you're going to see that there's probably going to be like there's going to be like barely any competition. So that's a really good way to kind of really niche down and be in like a really sub niche of this niche where there's going to be barely any competition. If we go check out the competition on some of the other platforms, we're going to see that on Etsy, there's only, 984 results. And this is what I'm talking about here by niching down, by using like 1 year free. So right here, this person's already doing it. So I fought cancer and I won 1 year free. And you can just scale this up. You can do 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, all the way to as many years as you want. If we go to Redbubble, we'll see there's only 3,822 results. And for TeePublic, well, it doesn't tell us how many results there are, but again, don't sleep on TeePublic. If we go and we take a look right here, you're going to see that right here, December earnings, $344. So, a lot of people kind of complain about TeePublic that you only get $2 a sale and it's not really worth your time. But in my opinion, $344 a month is pretty good, just passive. That just gets directly deposited into my bank account. Now, it's not always that much. It's not always that much because, this is Christmas time. But usually I do anywhere between, $200 to $300 a month on a TeePublic. So those are the platforms that I want to share with you. Get your designs up onto these platforms. Remember, try and niche down. I wouldn't recommend just doing a regular cervical cancer awareness design. Try and cross niche it with something. Try and niche down, be a little more original. I apologize for not getting more videos up. I just kind of took a little break because it was, Christmas. Wanted to spend time with the family. I was working on some other stuff, but now that's the new year, I'm going to be jamming again. I want to get this channel monetized, so I'm going to be spending a lot of time putting out videos, hopefully on a daily basis, but definitely on a regular basis. 3, 4, 5 videos a week. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. This is my channel right here. You can see all the videos that I have up. So here you're going to see, so if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Like I said, I put out videos on a pretty regular basis. And that's basically it. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.